Josh got a new tractor. There's the twin.
Yeah, you guys remember that probably.
What is this?
The LT4000. That's an LT1000. It's like Corn's weed eater. It has a transmission here.
Except it's 6-speed, right?
6-speed, yeah.
What's under the hood?
Better watch the hood, it's broken. 14.5 IC gold. This actually was originally my grandfather's tractor.
Cool.
Originally. He bought this brand new at Sears.
Wow.
And he passed away, so it's my tractor now. And we're just mowing the backyard of his grandfather's house.
What is QC system, do you know?
What?
What's QC system?
I have really no idea.
Look at this.
Yeah.
And so does this Craftsman.
They're both just 2 years apart.
We're gonna continue mowing. That was his tractor, and we'll see you in the next video. We had a birch tree fall down due to a very heavy storm. Here it is. We can't mow here, unfortunately.
Whoa!
Oh, and by the way, this is my Pontiac necklace. He's gone back home.